Okay, I ordered this HGTV Home outdoor living 11750 PSI water pressure from HSN just the other day, and it came in the mail today. I've unboxed it. It came with the two nozzles and the hose. I got it in the teal color. So this is it all laid out. It came in a box about this big. When I got home, I thought it was a little bit of a small box for it to come into, but it's really not that bad. And plus, probably don't want it to be too big to be able to tote it around. But I'm gonna get it all set up, and then I will show you how it works. Okay, so my first issue, it's not necessarily a bad issue. I can do something different, but I have this kind of plug on the outside of my townhouse, and the plug that it comes with is much larger. It won't fit into this spot, so I mean, I can still use it. I'm just gonna have to plug it into a different place. Just kind of bad because it won't fit directly into here, but anyway, I'm gonna continue getting it set up, and I will show you. Alright, so I have it all set up, and I have just the basic nozzle on it. It also came with one called a turbo lance, and I'll try that in just a little bit, but you had to hook it up to the water and go through the steps. It's actually got a little setup here, but it also comes with a manual. But I got it all set up, and you can see I've got a couple of things I'm going to work on. I've got some stains here on the concrete. There's obviously some stains on the carpet here, and I've also got the green on the back of the fence. So I'm just going to try to clean up the backyard a little bit. So we're going to see how it works. I'm going to start on this spot right here, just because I was actually staining a fence for my dog and dripped it onto the concrete, and I was like a little worried about that, but I'm going to see if this will take it out. You can definitely see it's cleaning around it. I'm gonna say if I continued focus on that spot, it would come out, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and go on to a few other things, and I'll update you if it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this carpet up right here. It's definitely looking a lot cleaner. There's a spot right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit that as well. You can see it taking that stain right out, so I really am happy about that. So another big test is the paint. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's definitely doing its job. So I'm definitely liking what it's doing. Let's see, there's a little bit of algae buildup on this fountain. So it's definitely coming off. So I mean, so far I'm really enjoying this. Like I said, it is the HGTV 1750 PSI pressure washer. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and change over to the lancing tool, and we'll check that out, and that will conclude my video. Okay, so remember that stain? I've been working on it for a little bit. It hasn't completely come up, but it is pretty darn close. I don't know that stain will completely come out of concrete anyway. So I would say, I mean, it's not doing too bad. But also I want to show you, if I can, see if I can do this. Right now, it's on just a simple point. You can adjust this nozzle just by turning the end all the way out to a large stain. It's a larger area. You kind of meet somewhere in the middle of it. Let's see if I can do this. I'm trying to make it where you can kind of see. Yeah, not doing so well with that. One-handed, you know. Alright, so here, if you adjust it, you adjust it long, you adjust it out to a fan, like that, or in a fine point. I'm going to go just a little bit out to show you. Now I can go back over that same spot where I was doing a little turn. Basically clean the wire really well. So, just wanted to show you that. I'm back with the lancing tool, so I'm going to see, it's a little bit bigger nozzle. It's supposed to cover more space. So let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna have to look and see if it needs to be adjusted. It spins partially and then sometimes it does not, but I'm sure that that's something that can be fixed. I'm gonna look at that. Okay, so I looked in there. There was a little bit of gunk in that nozzle. I tried to clean it out. It went a little bit longer, but it's still doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and try to demonstrate it until it messes up again. It definitely covers more space than the actual pointy nozzle. I can see it just messed up again. Now it's kind of like the pointy nozzle. It was spinning. If any of you know why it does that, if I stop or release it and go again, it'll start back over. If any of you have a cause or know why, please comment below and let me know. Because I am new to this and not really sure. But other than that nozzle malfunction, see how it's doing that? And it should be in a circle like that. Really doing a pretty good job. You can kind of see the difference here, what I have done and what I haven't done. Plus remember the fence did a good job there too. I'm gonna go ahead and take this circle one over here and see how it does. like I said, it's definitely doing the job. I'm just a little worried about that turbo lance. I'm not sure if it is malfunctioning or if that's just how it works. I'm gonna have to research that myself. But anyway, other than that issue, I think it's a good product. Definitely gonna have to figure that out. For the amount of money you pay, you obviously want everything to work properly. But like I said, it was the today's special. I got it at a decent price. I'm not sure what the price went up to after the today's special, but this is the unit I bought. 1750 PSI, which I thought was pretty good. The old units were only 17, so it is a little bit more. I do like the compactness of it because I do live in a townhouse and it's minimal storage, so it's great to be able to just put it in my storage closet. But anyway, that is all I've got for you today. Comment below if you know anything else about this and I'd like to share.